that.
Today we'll look at reproduction in plants. Reproduction is one of the characteristics of living things. It enables the continuity of living organisms. Specifically today we'll look at reproduction in plants. Now, reproduction in plants takes place in specialized organs called flowers. But before the actual reproduction takes place, first there has to be pollination. Pollination is a transfer of the pollen grains from the anthers of the male part of the flower to the stigma of the female part of the flower. There are two types of pollination. We have wind pollinated plants and also have insect pollinated plants. For more, let us look at first the insect pollinated plants.
We are taking a look at insect pollinated flowers, and I am holding here an example of insect pollinated flowers. As you can see, we have here the plant, the flower part of it, and we're looking at the inside of the flower where you can see the anthers and the stigma. And then hopefully you can see the pollen grains as well. And here, this is where we are interested because they are normally placed inside the flower to entice the insect to walk inside. In the process of walking inside, it will collect the pollen grains that it will require to go and cross-pollinate. The other thing you can see about these flowers is that they are brightly colored because they need to attract the insect to come to them. And then another characteristic of these flowers is that they are also nicely scented. Beautiful indeed. And this again acts as an attraction to the insects so that they can come to these flowers. And then a further part of it is that these flowers will usually be facing the sun, like the sunflower, but others don't need to face the sun, and they will attract the insect with these two characteristics.
Okay, this is an example of a wind-pollinated flower. So this wind-pollinated flower is not bright. It is dull-colored, as you can see. Apart from this feature, you can see that the pollen grains are actually outside. They are not inside the flower. So this enables the flower or the pollens to easily blow off using the wind like this. So they can easily be blown away by the wind. Then another feature of this is that they do not have a scent. I can't smell anything. They don't have a nice scent to attract the insects. That is why it is wind pollinated.